Oh, hello there. Today I'm gonna go blonde. Won't you join me? Okay, so I guess I have an assistant today, Miss Peaches. I will keep her out of the chemical stuff. I think she just wants to be in today's video. Yeah, so please don't mind her. So today we will be using Clairol Professional Kaleidocolors Blue. It's a lightener. It's supposed to lift up to 6 levels. And I grabbed that at Sally's. And I will also be using Sally's 30 Developer for it. Make sure we are properly gloved. Mixing it all up. Okay, I got my mix all done. I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair so that I can do the back and then work my way up. Ow, ow. I should have done this with gloves on. Whew. Okay. All right, now that it's all sectioned off, I'm gonna start applying bleach onto my hair. I have not bleached my hair myself since 2016, 2017. So it's been almost 10 years. Ooh. Okay. Here's the hoping it works. Apply a little bit at a time. I'm just going to use my hands. Work my way up. I should have grabbed a comb. I'll grab one after. Brush it through. I hope I made enough. We do the roots last, so let's go ahead and start the other sections. I am just putting it all in. Okay, so I'm gonna go get a brush and comb this out. Okay, so set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes starting now.
I am not touching all the way to the roots quite yet. Oh wow, look at that. I see it's starting to light. Okay, that's good. It's starting to lighten. Yes, there goes the color. Ooh, it's starting to look like a caramel brown. I'm really hoping I got enough in my hair. I don't want any spots. All right, as it's brightening up, I'm gonna go in. Don't want any mud. Put it in my bangs. Make sure I got my bangs. This is not easy to do alone. But it is doable. Don't know if I made enough. I think I have to make some more. It's always the thing. It's like, do I have enough in my hair? I made like 2 ounces worth, or a whole 2 ounces of powder's worth. Alright, so I'm gonna make a little more so I could put some more throughout my hair. I don't think I made enough, but my hair is starting to change. Let's see, I have about 5 minutes. It's starting to lighten, guys. It's starting to lighten. Go ahead and put some more in so that I make sure I get all of it. So, get all of my hair, make sure I have all hair in my sections. Stop. Set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes starting now.
Okay, so the last 15 minutes, I'm going to French my whole head with it. And then work my way up into the roots. So, it's really messy. But I made more than enough this time so that I can saturate all of it. And then work up into the roots. Oh my gosh, it's so messy. I hate making a mess. Too much of a mess. Unnecessary mess. Okay, saturate, saturate, saturate. And then I'm gonna go put some in my scalp. Put it in the back of my head. All up in the back of my head here. Then work all the way through. I should have taken out my earrings. All right, into the roots. And put a little bit on my spot right there, all the little baby hairs I have. How much is on my timer?
There's a timer with about 5 minutes left.
My baby hairs aren't lighting up much. Not too much. Okay, I'm trying to comb this out. It's starting to, it's lifting. The colors are lifting. I definitely can see lifting. Ooh-wee. Okay, one side. It's looking like a honey brown color. Make sure I get my roots all the way back here. I'm gonna need a shower after this. But I gotta tone my hair and then I'm gonna shower. Stop. Put 10 minutes on the timer.
10 minutes starting now.
Ew. Do I like it? I don't know. It is lightened for sure. Stop. All right. I'm gonna wash this off and see where it goes. So it came out looking more like a golden brown color. It's not quite as light as I'd like it, so my husband's here helping me for the second round of lightening. This is how it turned out. It's a lot brighter, which is what we want. It's not as light as I'd like it to be, but it's still good enough. And now we're gonna tone it using Wella Colorcharm toner in TO5. And this is how it turned out, a nice honey blonde. Definitely took out all the brass. I will be using Arctic Fox Ritual and Arctic Fox Ginger Flare. The ratio that I used was 40% Ginger Flare and 60% Ritual. this is how it looks after a couple hours. I went ahead and slept in that and washed my hair the next day, and this was the result. I decided to go with another coat of Ritual since I wanted a little darker. And again, I'm using my hands. The cost for everything I got at Sally's was about $35.23, and that includes tax for the toner, the lightener, and cream developer. For the Arctic Fox hair colors, I got the two 8-ounce bottles for about $19 a piece. In total for the Arctic Fox, I paid about $39.56, and the total overall came out to be $74.79. And this is how it turned out. I just love how it comes together with the layers and color. It really goes to show that you can do anything you set your mind to. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, save, or subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you.